here there is a concept of blocks. So you have some block and host IDs. Okay, in your classful addressing you had network ID and host ID. Okay, this is also based on IPv4. IPv4, how many bits? How many bits in IPv4? 32 bits. Okay, so here also you have 32 bits, but you don't have as network ID and host ID. Okay, you don't have that concept here. Okay, here you will be given blocks of ID. Okay, for example, if I need 100 IP address. Okay, if I need 100 IP address, I can get purchase only that. Okay, if I need 200 IP address, I will take a block which has 200 IP address. Okay, is it clear? Okay, so idhula pathina first next is notation. Okay, class full addressing how it was notated. எப்படி represent பண்ணீங்க? For class C ID எப்படி இருந்துச்சு? It was divided into 4 octets, correct? And separated by a decimal number. For example, 198.10.20.30. Okay, this was the notation in your class full. Okay, and here it is adhe dhaan comma or mask. Okay, so this is the notation of your classless addressing. Classless addressing na, this is the notation where this says your size of block. Okay, size of block or number of IP address. Okay, size of block or number of IP address. Okay, you have to represent using this, and this is one example. Okay, so as I said, this last notation is the size of block or number of IP address. Okay, size of block or number of IP address. Okay, it means that in this, okay, 28 is for this and 4 is for your host. Okay, 24 is your size of the block and 4 is the size of the host. Okay, so idhula vandu sila conditions irukku. And one of the condition is your host ID must be 2 power. Okay, your host must be in the power of 2. So it means 2 power 4 which is equal to 16. Okay, this is the first condition. Second condition is the addresses, the IP addresses must be in a contiguous manner. Contiguous na continuous. 33, 34 again. Okay, second one, that is the condition. One is the first IP address. First IP address is used for no. Do you remember? First ID and last ID we will not give to user. First ID will be used for the first one and the last one. Okay, the first stands for example, this is the first ID. Okay, first ID stands for okay, first stands for network ID, the last stands for host ID. No, broadcast ID. சரிங்களா? host ID. இந்த last one கவனிப்பீங்களா? Okay, so இதுல என்ன condition na your first ID. Okay, your first IP address. Okay, that's obviously your network ID. Okay, must be divisible by. Okay, must be divisible by size of the host. Okay, so 16. Okay, 2 power 4. In the number example, it's 2 power 4, so 16. Okay, over the host, it should be divisible. Your subnet mask, அங்க எப்படி பண்ணனும் ஞாபகம் இருக்கா? Okay, instead of putting 8 ones and I just 255. Subnet mask என்னவா வரும்? If 28 இருக்கிறால I'm asking you to put 28 ones. 28 ones followed by 4 zeros. ஏன்னா டோட்டலா 32 தான். So instead of putting all ones, I am writing as 255. Okay, note it down. This is the subnet mask.